Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here we are making some easy cod fish recipe. Well, what makes it really good is that sauce. Look at that. Fresh tomatoes, fresh garlic, fresh onions, everything fresh. Well, I like using this vegetable cutter. It is my best friend. Like, I just put some stuff there and push it, and the way I push it, I like using it because it's like playing. It gotta be fun while you're cooking. I saute some onion and some garlic. Now I'm cutting some fresh tomatoes, fresh parsley. I'm gonna cut mushrooms and add it, and let's go. Let's keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Like, share, comment. Comment is very important for the video. Thanks for your support. And let's keep watching.
White wine.
To eat. Well, that egg dish, I use the same sauce. As you can see, you can watch the video as already posted.